Hello everybody, welcome to Bachata y Yo. Today we are discussing 3 main concepts that you need to fix in order to improve your bachata like that.
Wow!
Number 1, and I cannot emphasize this enough, it's breath. You're probably breathing shallow or sometimes not even breathing, not feeding your movements with proper organic continuity. For bachata, especially bachata sensual, we want to make sure that our movements do not come up stiff or somehow rough to our partner. So learning to breathe or allowing natural breath to go as deep as all the way to your center is crucial. This will fix your bachata instantly, and at times, especially when you think the music is super fast, it will magically buy you time. I promise you, once you learn to breathe to your movements, once you learn to breathe organically, they will feed your movement. Number 2, posture. Understand that dancing is also a sport, a form of movement and activity. So we cannot be dancing on our joints. For that, we need to learn to engage in our muscles, right? So proper posture, proper neutral posture is our ground zero, is where everything starts. We need to make sure that we are aligned on our lateral vertical axis. So my feet are under my knees, under my hip, under my waist, my ribcage, chest, shoulders, and head. We need to make sure that we're eliminating this kind of an anterior pelvic tilt that a lot of people have by locking our knees, okay? So both might cause injuries. This one is very bad for your knee joints, and this one puts a lot of tension on your lower back. So we need to engage our abs, to bring out our hips a little bit forward, making sure that it's aligned and more or less perpendicular to the floor. We need to engage our abs to bring our chest slightly forward as we either open our shoulders laterally or actually bring them back to this alignment. Make sure that if your shoulder is pointing strictly to the side, it's good instead of slightly forward or slightly backward, okay? And number 3 is not using the floor. Oftentimes, when we need to move from one place to another, from spot A to spot B, even in our basic, we tend to hover over our legs and carry our legs as if we are some kind of a balloon and our legs are there just dangling under our upper body. This happens a lot because we tend to keep all the stress, all the tension in our shoulders, in our chest. This also constricts the proper breath flow. So, what helps me personally is understand that all I need to do is take a deep breath, and with a deep exhale, I relax my shoulders down. After that, I engage my abs and drop my center of mass to be carried by my legs. Softening the knees helps a lot. That's part of the posture. Knowing how to utilize your legs 70% of the time for all your bachata moves, okay? Hey dancers! I am currently developing structured mini courses for serious bachata learners who want a complete curriculum. If you're interested in comprehensive step-by-step bachata training, drop a comment below and let me know. I'll keep you updated when the courses are ready. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves and take care of your bachata. Bye-bye now.